Hello, today I'm making my family's favourite coriander dip. This dip is vegan and it's really yummy. It lasts in the fridge for a few days. So I'll go through the ingredients and we'll pop it together. It's really quick and easy. In here I already have 2 cloves of garlic, a teaspoon of whole black peppercorns and 1/4 cup of lemon juice. You can also use the same of lime juice. So we'll whiz that up to start with. Sorry about the bump there to the camera. Okay, so then, take this out. What we're going to put in this little bowl, I've got it already, we've got 3 tablespoons of nut butter. I've used cashew butter here. 3 tablespoons of coconut cream. Make sure you use the real coconut cream that doesn't have anything added to it like gums or fillers or additives. A teaspoon of coconut palm sugar and a teaspoon of salt. So I'll just put all of that in. Okay, now also what we have is some fresh coriander that you can see here. Now this is the whole coriander including the roots, which look a bit manky, but the whole thing has been washed and it's all fresh. It's lovely. You just put the whole lot in. The roots actually have the most wonderful coriander flavour, so don't chop them off or leave them out. The whole lot goes in. Then we're going to blend it all up. So I'll just test that. This dip starts out as really runny and firms up in the fridge, so make it a few hours ahead. Beautiful. Alright, I'm not going to change anything there. Alright, so I'm going to put that into a container and I'll come back and show you what it looks like when it has firmed up in the fridge. I'll just show you here in the container now. So that's what it will look like. But yeah, it's fantastic. Back in a moment. Okay, so here's the finished dip. It's really thick and lovely. You can see like that kind of consistency. That's probably about half the amount that I made, so I just decanted a little bit into a bowl to show you now. But yeah, it keeps well in the fridge. It's vegan, it's really tasty. You can change the ingredients if you want more peppercorns or more lemon juice. That would be fine. If you don't have cashew butter or almond butter, you can use peanut butter if you want. But a really versatile dish. The kids love this in their lunchbox to dip with veggies. It's great on wraps and with focaccia bread and a party. So yeah, give it a go. It's really great.